Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amara Comfort here. So to my new viewers, it's good to have you here. Welcome. And I know that you would find this video useful. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to brighten your colored clothes. If you notice, I have here dark colored clothes. They're all dark colored clothes, right? So there's a hack I discovered that you can use to brighten them. You understand? Even though they are colored, there's a way that you'd wash them and that they'll come out bright. So let's head in right into the video, guys. If you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. Guys, thank you so much. For my faithful subscribers that like to share my videos, I see you and I appreciate you so much. So keep sharing, keep smashing the like button. That's the way you can show your appreciation to me, and I love you so much. So let's head in right into the video. As we all know, first thing first, you put your detergent in your detergent box. My detergent box needs a bit of cleaning. So if you are new here, maybe you've not seen my video on how to wash your top loader washing machine, you can check the link up here on how to do your top clean. You can watch that because I showed how I usually get this cleaned up and the top. Now for my colored clothes, I do not use the same type of detergent that I use for my white or light colored clothes. Usually when I want to wash my light colored clothes, I like to use this Ariel Original. So it's good for your white and bright colored, light colored clothes. I'm not an ambassador for Ariel, but it has been helping me. So just take note of the detergent that helps you for your white and your light or bright colored clothes. This is the one I use for my white. And then when I'm using dark colored clothes, or Ankara material as we call it in Nigeria, I think in some other African countries it's called kitenge, and I can't remember for some other African countries, but you understand those African fabrics. In Nigeria we call it Ankara, so I use this for my Ankara and for my dark colored clothes. So first thing first, I pour out the quantity I need. If this is your first time on the channel, please, you can watch my other videos where I talked about how I measure my detergent and watch the different types of detergent I use. So this is the quantity I have here. So it's not filled to the brim, just like half of this box, and I'll close it. This box is for liquid detergent, so you can watch all my other videos to get all the information that you need. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my softener, my cloth fabric conditioner or cloth softener. I'm going to add it here. So I've measured out my fabric conditioner with the cover of the conditioner. That's what I used to measure. So this is like a quarter of this cup, and this is the slot for putting your for pouring your softener. So this particular slot for softeners, as is written here, most times it rotates depending on your last wash cycle. So sometimes it could be here, sometimes it could be here, sometimes it could be here. So if it's hidden beneath this part, you can use your hand to gently pull it forward and then pour your softener there. Then the trick to what I do. So what I use to brighten my clothes, my colored clothes, is this baking soda, right? Baking soda. So if you watched my previous videos how to whiten your white, you'd see that I use the combination of this baking soda and white vinegar, but in this case I'm still using my softener, and I'm going to just add my baking soda in the tub itself. So here I've got a quarter cup of this is the cover of the baking soda I have, so it's like a quarter cup of baking soda. So I'm just going to sprinkle it on top of the clothes. Yes, that's how I do it. So what it does for me is that when I do this on any clothes I want to wash, it helps to brighten the clothes. There are some colors that might be fading the more you wash them, you understand, but with the addition of this baking soda, it helps to brighten the clothes after washing them. So I'm now going to go ahead and start the power button. So guys, make sure you hit the like button. If you've learned something new and you find it useful, please hit the like button and make sure you share this video so others can see and it would help them. What I noticed that these videos have helped a lot of people to make a decision on the type of washing machine to use. So by the time they watch my videos and they see that this is why it's easy to use, I understand how to use it now, then they go ahead and make their buying decision. So sharing the videos actually help others, it helps others. So just make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you've not done that, then drop your comment, drop your questions, then I would return or reply your comment. Sometimes I could be overwhelmed with comments, I might not attend to your comment, but just take note that most of the videos I have already made might have answered your question. So just go to the playlist. I'll be putting it up here. So just go to the playlist and watch those other videos where I've answered some questions. The answer that you might be looking for might be there. Yeah. So I then go ahead and go to the program. I'm going to select the quick. I don't use the fuzzy when it's dark colored clothes, so I don't wash them for a long time. So I change my program to quick. These are my two favorite programs, fuzzy or quick. And I'll just go ahead and press the start button. There's something else that I do. So the water has started coming out. So if you do not understand what I've just done, then it means you need to watch my very first videos to really understand the breakdown of everything that I've been doing now. Something else I do, especially for this quick program, most times it just leaves it at level 3, but in this case I know that my clothes are more than what level 3 water will do, so I usually take it to 6. So I'm going to leave it at 6. So this is what I do to brighten my clothes. So at the end we'll see the results of the whole process, and you'll be there to make your own judgment if it really works or not. So guys, I'll see you at the end of the video. So guys, the wash process has almost ended. It's spinning right now, and after spinning it's going to end. Then we'll see the outcome of our clothes. We'll see if they're really bright or if nothing happened. So guys, if you are still watching to this particular time, kindly like the video if you have not done so. If you are still watching this video to this point in time, then it means you find it useful. So smash the like button, and if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and then make sure you share this video to some other person. That could be your Christmas gift to that person, guys. So let's see how these clothes turn out. Then if you have questions concerning the Hisense top loader washing machine, I'll be dropping the link where you can watch my other videos. So probably I've answered those questions there. If you still don't get answers to your questions, you can drop them in the comment section, then I'll reply you there in the comment section. So we're almost done. So this is the end of the wash process. That's one of the things I like about the Peak program. It's quite very fast, just 19 minutes and you're done washing. So let's now look at the clothes and see if they actually turn bright or not. See these clothes? Can you just look at it? You don't understand, Adam. See these clothes? It's quite shiny. Mind you, this is not a shiny fabric, right? Just a brown trousers, but see, it's looking like bright. It's looking bright. So that's what the baking soda does to your clothes. This is a khaki, a gray colored school short. You understand? You can look at how it's kind of as if it's almost sparkling. You get? So that's what the baking soda does to your clothes. It brightens them. So if you just feel as if your clothes are getting dull, your colored clothes are getting dull, just use baking soda. Use baking soda on them and then you'll see a difference. You'll see that the colors will just, baking soda help to make the colors bright. So guys, I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section. Are you going to try this method of adding baking soda to your colored clothes to brighten them? I'd like to hear, have you done that before? If you usually do it, I'd like to hear your comments. Is it sustainable? This clothes is now a very old shorts for staying at home, right? It's an old short, but see what the baking soda does. It helps to just brighten it a bit. This is very old. This is a house clothes. Do you understand? It even has like some paint stains on it, but it just helps to bring your clothes back to life. So guys, this is the end of the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.